Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's a alarming news for our viewer. Yeah, Chagas disease. Chagas disease is often called a silent killer because many people don't realize they have it until complications from the infection kill them. Researchers at the University of Cincinnati are exploring ways to interrupt the life cycle of the parasite behind the illness, offering hope of developing a cure. The disease is spread by parasites found in kissing bugs, which suck the blood of people when they are sleeping. The bugs typically bite victims around their faces, which gives them their ironically sweet sounding name. The bugs transmit the internal parasites in their pop, which infects the bloodstream of human host through the bite wounds. The study was published in the journal Embio. Yeah, Chagas disease is found across North and South America. Between 6 and 8 million people are believed to be infected, including 3 lakh people living in the United States, but many only realize they are infected when they develop symptoms decades later. The main issue with Chagas disease as a public health problem is that most people don't know they are infected until symptoms appear and it's too late to treat them. You see, Assistant Professor Noelia Lander. In her molecular parasitology lab, Lander and a student are studying the complex life cycle of the parasite to find vulnerabilities to exploit. Yeah, the parasite is a teeny single-celled organism that undergoes 4 life cycle changes to survive and reproduce on its odyssey from the digestive system of an insect to the bloodstream of a human bat. Along the way, it must be able to withstand dramatic differences in its environment such as acidity, temperature and availability of nutrients. The parasite has been living on earth for millions of years, long before people. Yeah, I know that parasite is the enemy, but I am impressed by the mechanism the parasite has to survive during its life cycle, Lander said. The goal, the goal is to find its weakness to fight the disease. UC graduate Joshua Carlstrom, a lead author of the paper, co-author and the UC doctoral student Milat Ahmed, said the parasite hides within the cells it infects in human tissues, helping it to evade both the immune system and medications. Once the disease becomes chronic, treatments become significantly less effective, he said. Researchers used gene editing tools to manipulate the genes of the parasite, and the aim was to identify the location and function of one of the proteins that help the teeny parasite adapt, study co-author and UC assistant professor Miguel Churrillo explained. Lender said interrupting the parasite's life cycle is a promising target for future medical treatments of Chagas disease. If the parasite cannot transform during its life cycle, it won't survive, she explained. Then this exclusive report